Wow. That is hard. It looks like it's actually gonna flood.
It's not.
Yeah, look.
I know Mom said it's not.
Yeah, but it looks like it. Even look on the streets. Look, do you see that red light? Oh my god. That's amazing. Too bad it's not day. I want to go out and play in it. Wow. Don't record people. You don't do that. Wow. Domino's guy. Wow.
Yeah, stop talking.
Yeah, try not to talk. Here, I'll open up my own window. Wow. And the street's a mess. Wow. Oh, the rain stopped a little. Wait, let me see on your window. Yeah, it stopped a little. Yeah. Wow.
That is bad.
Yep. They have to be, people here have to be careful. Oh, the rain's picking up. Wow. And the TV even lost signal. Oh my god! Brother, remember the little possum? I wonder where it's gonna be now. I see like a little river. Look, you see on the side of the road, it looks like a little river. Ooh, the plants are going crazy. Our plant's kind of flying. Wow. I want to go outside and play in it.
It's so fun. Oh, we're in a river.
It sounds like thunder.